Hello again. In this tutorial, we're going to be talking about the UL, the LI, and OL list. It's critical you understand the UL, the LI, and OL list because you will surely be needing it in our future designs. Now, let me up over to Visual Studio Code and let's continue with our website. The next thing I want to do is to add a p tag, you know, a div. I want to add a div this time. And inside a div, I want to start with UL. Now, UL, it is called on order list. And we have OL, which is ordered list. Now, let's see UL in action. Pretty simple. When you declare UL this way, the next thing that is very important you to do, this one has sub tags, and it has to be LI. What they're trying to do basically is that you're trying to list, maybe you want to list items. So we're going to list all items here. We call it front develop HTML. Then we add another one, CSS. We add another list, JavaScript. We add another list, PHP. We can make it. Let's add header, front end development kit. I'm going to remove PHP. I'll add Angular. Let's save and go back to a browser. If you notice that there's an error here, I'll go back to my code and check, maybe I've made a mistake somewhere. There's a here it is. So it's actually showing this because this is actually a closing tag. So I'm going to remove this so that you show me the right thing. Okay, here we go. The next thing we're going to do is, this is unordered list. Now I want to change this one to 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is called ordered list. That will be called ordered list. This is unordered list. To do that, I'm going to hop over to my Visual Studio Code. I'll create another p tag, or better still, h tag. I'll use h3 as usual, and I'll call this server side scripting language. This time around, instead of using UL, I'm going to use OR. I'll do the same thing. Li equals PHP. Li equals Node.js. Li equals C#. Li equals Python. Let's go over to a browser. There's an error here as well. I'll hop over to my code and fix that error and save and go back to my code. There's also an error here. because li, I need to close this tag. I'll close the tag this way, and I'll get rid of the closing tag. Let's upload to this. We have it. We have our ordered list. This is how to use unordered list, and this is how to use ordered list. Don't worry, we're gonna make our website beautiful. But as it is now, it's a bit jagged. By the time we introduce HTML5 container and Bootstrap, you understand it better. Thank you.